Filipina. So today I'm here in school now and we have event hot and cold. So this is all my classmates and friends. So this is Mami. How's the brownies?
Nice.
So we're
Yummy.
we perform today each group. So they have butterscotch and they have sotanghon, soup sotanghon and fish fillet, and so you can see a lot of Filipina here. What's your name?
Hi.
She's eating the one she made today. Make a
Hi guys,
Ma'am, ano, kumusta ang lasa?
masarap.
Masarap. So, masarap ang timpla. So, I show you guys. So, everybody, each group, we are making butterscotch.
Okay naman
So,
to.
we are full now because we're cooking. And we have Western food. Curry, American curry. So, I show you the salad, guys.
I know that.
Salad. And we have, tapos na kayo. They are not done yet for the Caesar haven't finished yet. Marjorie is here. Generous. So we are enjoying eating the food here, guys. It was very delicious and we cook very well. So some group they're making roasted chicken and my group is American chicken curry. It's delicious. So I'm gonna show you the rest.
Sabay ka makulihat sa makulid.
So we have a salad. How's the taste, girl? Kumusta ang chicken? Roasted chicken? I already eat. Kumain na ako, busog na ako. Kumain na ako niyan. This is their butterscotch salad and the chicken. So we are 23 students here to attend the hot and cold. They are still eating in the kitchen and they just finished perform and they just finished cooking also. So here. Thank you for watching.